Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I had one of these leak, one of these O-rings on here, so online on Amazon they have these from Bogue RV, the O-rings that you can replace these. I actually figured that you could replace them, but didn't know where you get them. Well, this is a pretty good kit because it comes with the ones that are labeled here for the elbow and for the bayonet. And you can see what comes in the kit here. These are labeled bayonet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. And then we have the ones for the elbow, it says, and there's 5 of these. So what the deal is these things get old and weathered and cracking, and super simple just to replace them and not have, you don't want this stuff leaking on black water. You don't want this leaking and being a big old mess. So you get a kit of these and just keep them in your RV or camper, and you'll have them for if you ever have one of these leak or you lose an O-ring somewhere, you'll have one to replace it with. So you can see that we have the one that goes on the elbow here, which is this style, and then we have the one that goes in, it's called bayonet, which is the part that locks onto your line. You can actually even put it in your caps because there's one of these in here. Let me take this apart. There's one on each side, and then you want to grease them with something like Vaseline to keep them lubed where they're not dry. These are actually not bad ones here. These are actually new, but if you used to have a bad one, that's the way you do it. We'll take one of these off and try them out. Make sure they fit. It's always a good thing to try stuff like this out before you get way out on a camping adventure. You break down and need one of these. Make sure you have the right ones first. Now this is Rhino here. They also fit the Camco and everything. I think they're all pretty much compatible, so it should fit any of them. You can see the one here for the elbow. It has a notch on one side. Let me zoom the camera up here. Okay, you see the one here has a notch on this side and it's flat on this side. So that's the way you want to put it on. Take your old one off. Extremely simple. Put the new one on, and then you want to put some Vaseline or some kind of lubricant on here to keep it from drying out and to make sure it don't tear up when you put it on. Okay, now on this side we have the different style, and the way they are made is they are ribbed on one side instead of having a groove in it. They actually have some ribs on this side, and then the groove is on the back side like that. And what you want to do on these is just take you a small screwdriver or a pick. Super simple to pull one out like so. Take the new one. You might want to put the Vaseline or the lubricant on there before you put that in. It may be easier. And then just push it in like that. Now you're ready to clip it on your camper or RV onto your hose, and you're ready to go. They're very simple to install. A nice little kit just to keep in your RV with you at all times in case you have a problem with them leaking. Okay, I brought up on my Amazon store where I have these, and you can see that they're actually only $8.99 for this kit. To have this is a super thing to have for that low a price, just to keep in your RV or camper. It also says that it's compatible with Camco, Rhino Flex, Rhino Extreme, Revolution. It's easy slip 5 bayonet gaskets and 5 elbow gaskets. So it also says made of durable soft rubber material. You can see all the specifications. It shows actually where they go on the website too on Amazon. Has the dimensions of them, so you can check out, make sure they are the right ones before you buy them. And it's that easy. So I will take and put a link in the description below where you can get these, pick these up. But I would recommend anybody with an RV, camper, travel trailer, anything that uses these type sewer connections, to get a kit of these and have this on hand in every one of your RVs. Just put it in a little cubby hole where you keep your stuff, and it'll save you a lot of money, or a lot of headache down the road. So thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures, and please click the thumbs up on this video. Catch you on the next one. Ride on.